Hi everyone, I'm Essex Dave and today I'm going to be sampling more unknown Asian snacks. First up will be this bag of chips with Korean writing on it. No English, though there is a picture of something that looks like some kind of spicy noodle, so I'm expecting something hot. And this bottle of drink, it is commonly available all over Hong Kong, very popular. It's from Japan and I'll give you the big reveal at the end. If it is your first time to my channel, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit that notifications bell. First up, the snacks. It feels quite heavy but crunchy, so I don't know if it's made out of potato or made out of corn, or even if I can even get the bag open. There's the arrow. Wow. Let's have a smell. No strong flavour at all, and it looks like sweet corn, flavoured sweet corn in the shape of sweet corn. It definitely tastes of corn. Not as spicy as I was expecting. Looks a bit like pasta, actually. In fact, it's a lot more sweet as well. More sweet than I would normally like for a potato chip or a corn chip. Oh. Worth a go. I really thought it might be like the picture on the front, which is like Korean food, Korean tteokbokki. So, which is very spicy, and that's what I was expecting it to be. But as always, I will finish it. Next up is the Japanese drink, which they call an iron supply drink. This one is especially good if you've been sick, like diarrhea and lost a lot of fluids, or you've done exercise and you've really lost a lot of sweat, because this is going to replace magnesium, potassium and salt to make you feel better again. So it's going to rehydrate you a lot quicker than any other drink. During the summer or after exercise and you're really thirsty, this drink tastes amazing, unbelievable. During the winter, when you're not too thirsty, it just tastes like water with minerals in it, and you just don't like it. So it's a way of replacing your fluids, and it's a way of replacing your sweat. And this is why it's called Pocari SWEAT. So here goes. I've done a bit of walking today, so I have lost some fluids and I am quite thirsty. And it tastes great. It's got a slight fruity flavour. But like I say, when you're really thirsty, it really hits the spot. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, I'll catch you all in my next video.